So I've had several questions about what my plan is as we go into a bull market cycle. What's my accumulation going to look like? What is my profit taking going to look like? And I want to give you guys kind of a sneak peek as to what my plans exactly are as we get into a bull market cycle. So as always, this is not financial advice. Uh, don't take this as such. I'm not a financial advisor, but when I look at these assets right now, SHIB, ADA, many of the other top blue chip cryptos, this is the time where I am in fact accumulating these coins. I'm accumulating some more assets outside the top 20 as well, but this is where I've been really accumulating these coins heavily. SHIB especially, right? SHIB has been probably one of my bigger positions I've been adding to during this bear market cycle, because I think in the bull market, as a blue chip coin, I believe it has one of the highest potentials for growth. Okay. So I believe that and ADA have some of the highest potential. Just to be transparent with you guys, again, this is not financial advice. So what I've been doing is I've been accumulating heavily at these levels. I've been dollar cost averaging. I have fire sale buy boxes on both of these coins. And once we hit those ranges, I've been heavily adding to my bags. Now, here's the thing. When we do get into a bull market cycle, when we do get that confirmation, I actually intend on throttling back. Now, this isn't because I don't believe above like a higher price or anything like that, but at some point you need to throttle back a little bit. Okay. So I plan on slowing down on my buying of SHIB once we hit 4015. That's kind of the range. At that point, we're about 78% from the all-time high. And I want to slow down at that point. Now, as we get further into a bull market cycle, what people need to understand is there are going to be new launches of coins. There's going to be more speculative plays out there. And that's where I start to shift from having my blue chip crypto and start to move towards more speculative plays. Now, I don't touch my blue chip bag, so my SHIB will stay there, my ADA will stay there, and I start to add on some of those more speculative plays, those new launches, because in a bull market cycle, that's where those coins can pop like that. I've been on coins that have launched and have done a 10x in 36 hours. Biggest trade I ever made in 36 hours, I made 50 grand. Okay. That's just kind of the potential that is in fact out there in crypto. Now, when we do get to all-time highs in terms of SHIB and other coins, that's when I'm going to start my profit taking. Okay. I'm not going to sell everything at once. I'm going to slowly take profits as we approach that, again, 24-month period, as we start to get later into the year of 2025. All right. It's going to slowly ramp up over time. I'm not going to liquidate my entire bag, because if we get to late 2025 and we don't end up turning around like we've done historically, then you kind of screw yourself. But that's just how I've been, what I plan on doing as we approach the height of a bull market cycle. Okay. I did do some profit taking at the height of the last bull market cycle. And during these bear markets, these times of down, that's when I've done my heavy accumulating. That's been historically the best way to do things. So that's what I plan on doing. So I'd love to hear what your guys' plans are, what your profit taking strategies are, where you think we're headed, in terms of price, how high you think we could go in terms of SHIB. I think there's a lot of potential in the crypto space. I think it's important to not get honed in on one thing either. Obviously, I love SHIB. SHIB is one of my largest, I'd say one of the largest holdings in my portfolio now that I think about it. And it'll continue to be so even as we move into the next bear market cycle, as we move to the height of a bull market. That's just, I believe in SHIB long term. There's a lot of great things that are happening. It's so early still. And I think it's something that really the world will adopt. SHIB can become a top 5 coin, and it can stick there for the entirety of its life cycle. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Okay. That's just the way I plan on doing things. There are very good times ahead for everyone. Everybody can make it in this space. We just got to make sure we do things the smart way. So I appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Show your support below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Oh, excuse me. Take care.